Hi, this is Kayla Harris with AT Champions with Bridges in Maryland. Today I'm here to share my fabrication slash DIY assistive technology for project for the month of December. So today what I have here are some cash envelopes. I purchased these off of Amazon. They might come up as like binder pockets, but what you do is you would stuff the amount of money you would want for each category into these little envelopes. And these are really nice because you can either have them as dividers in your wallet or you could carry just these little pouches around as little individual wallets. And it's really nice because you would know exactly how much money is in each wallet. You would know exactly what bills you've put in each wallet or in each pouch. And it would make it really easy for you because when you're in line, you won't have to sort through a bunch of loose dollars um, in your wallet or in your pocketbook or in your bag. You would be able to easily grab your grocery pouch if you're at the grocery store and you would know however much you put in there, and it would make it very easy for you to pay. So, what I've done for the fabrication piece is that I have taken some masking tape and I have done different designs. So for this envelope, this is my dining out envelope, and it has some rough masking tape on the bottom and then a line of smooth masking tape on the top. This one I did puffy paint too. I just wanted to see how it would come out because I purchased some puffy paint. And this is my medical envelope. So for this is for like medications and different things like that. Um, and so I'll know whenever I put this back into my wallet that this is for medications. I hope that this was helpful and that this gives you an insight into how assistive technology can be created and fabricated, and it does not have to be super expensive. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.